what is the doctor having for breakfast? Ooh, I'm having a really delicious brain-boosting smoothie. Oat, berry, nut smoothie. I'm using oatmeal. I'm going to be using 1/3 of a cup of oats today. In the oats, we have a high concentration of B complex vitamins, which we know that the nervous system needs that to function. We also have a good source of vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as an anti-inflammatory antioxidant, which decreases oxidative stress and boosts cognition. We also have a high content of potassium and zinc. These are really micronutrients that are necessary for good cell function and good brain health. Oatmeal contains beta-glucan. This is a great type of fiber that helps to lower cholesterol. As you lower cholesterol, you're then preserving good vascular health and therefore good flow of blood to the brain. And now let's move to our berries. I'm using blueberries, but if you like, you could also use strawberries. Blueberries are high in anthocyanins. Anthocyanins have anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant properties. With the antioxidant properties, we're decreasing oxidative stress, preventing aging, preventing damage into the DNA, and thus eliminating or reducing aging and, of course, dementia. Also, berries have anti-inflammatory properties, and this tend to help to reduce chronic diseases such as diabetes, arthritis, and Alzheimer's. Now, let's add the chia. We all know that chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acid. Your brain is about 57% of fat, but we need to have good fat like the omega-3 fatty acid. So here I'm putting 1 tablespoon of chia in my smoothie. And then let us add almond milk. I'm using almond milk, nut milk, because I don't want to add any cholesterol. And almonds are a really good source of good vitamin E for good brain health. Then walnuts. Walnuts are wonderful, great source of not only omega-3 fatty acid that our brain needs, but walnuts have a high concentration of vitamin E. Vitamin E works as a great antioxidant, decreasing oxidative stress, decreasing neurodegenerative diseases of the brain, and preserving cognitive function. All these foods, oats, berries, chia seeds, walnuts, almond milk, are great brain-boosting food. You just put them all together and blend and enjoy. Delicious. And now we're on to clarity of mind and great brain health. We're optimizing our brain health just with these basic food items. This is what the doctor's having for breakfast this morning. See you again soon. Delicious. So I stopped by Food and Med for lunch today, and you may be wondering, hey, what is she eating for lunch? My lunch is super simple. I have lentil soup. In my lentil soup, you can see I have carrots, corn, lots of lentils. I have cabbage. I have quinoa. This is actually right here a complex and complete dish. Complete dish because it has protein, it has vegetables, and it has grains. You may be wondering, so where's her fat? So I love, look at this. I love this. This is avocado toast. I left off the black beans today. But this here, the avocado, great good fats for you. And if you look carefully, I'll show it to you. You will see here that I have seeded nuts there. You can see my pumpkin seeds. This is high in antioxidant. Antioxidants are there to fight off the free radicals and therefore to decrease cell death and aging. So this here is really complete. I eat very simple. I always say if you come to my house, you think I'm a very poor person because I eat simple. But this is where you have the nutrient-dense meals in all the plant-based whole grain food. So in my carrots here, I have a lot of vitamin A, beta carotenoids that are just fantastic for good cell health, vision. Look at this. I have all my lentils. This is really high in protein, high in great fiber to keep my cholesterol down. And I have my quinoa. Quinoa is also high in protein. So this soup here is compact with protein. So if you're thinking, well, I can't go plant-based because if I were to go plant-based, then I'm not going to have enough protein. Well, you're actually wrong. Lots of protein right here, good carbs, complex carbohydrates, and of course, nutrient dense. My vitamin B complex for my brain, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C. Everything I need is in this little bowl here and in all this I'm consuming. So if you want to learn what I'm eating and if you want to really stay healthy, follow me and learn each day what I'm putting in my mouth. For maybe about 30 days I'll do this. See you soon. Bye-bye.